How to group in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Import the first video or photo as you want. And to add another, click on the plus button, which is in the white square. Then select the photo or video and press on Add at the bottom right. Then your picture or video will be added. Now, if you click on the square shape in between the picture, you will be able to add transition as you want, as you'll find different transition in here. Select the one you prefer and you're good to go. This is how to group in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.